Good morning, one and all. In previous class, we discussed about curvature and radius of curvature. In this class, we derive an expression for length of arc as a function or derivative of arc. Let us see the figure. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Let y equal to f of x be the equation of a given curve on which we take a fixed point a. So this is the curve y equal to f of x. Here a is a fixed point. In this, p is a point and q is a point. That is, y equal to f of x is a given curve and a be a fixed point, and p and q are the points on the given curve. To any given value of x corresponds a value of y, f of x, and to this pair of numbers x and f of x corresponds a point p of x comma y on the curve, and this point p has equal length s from a. So for correspondence value of x, there will be a value of y, that is f of x. So x comma f of x or x comma y be the point. P of x comma y be the point on the curve, and this point p has some arcual length. This point p has some arcual length from the fixed point a. So the distance between the points a and p is s. So this is called as arcual length. Thus we have a function s of x for the curve y equal to x. So that we have here y equal to f of x is be the curve, and we have a function s of x. So this is a function of x, s of x for the curve y equal to f of x. Now we shall prove that or show that ds by dx equal to under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is we want to prove. For this, we take a point q of, so this is q is another point on the curve. So the coordinates of the points p, q are x plus delta x and y plus delta y on the curve near p. Let arc AQ equal to the distance arcual length a from the q is s plus delta s, because the distance between the points p and q is, or the arcual length from p and q is delta s, and the distance from a to p is s. So that the distance from a to q is s plus delta s. So here arc PQ equal to delta s. From the right angle triangle, now from the right angle triangle PQN. So this is right angle triangle PQN. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write PQ square equal to PN square plus NQ square. By Pythagoras theorem, we can write PQ square equal to PN square plus NQ square. So here P to N distance is delta x and N to Q is delta y. Then PQ is delta x square plus delta y whole square. This is PQ whole square. That implies PQ whole square equal to, taking delta x square as common, this can be written as 1 plus delta y whole square by delta x whole square. So that PQ by taking this side, PQ by delta x whole square equal to 1 plus delta y by delta x whole square. So here card PQ by arc PQ whole square equal to, card PQ means delta s, delta square, and arc PQ is delta x. So that is delta s by delta x whole square, that equal to 1 plus delta y by delta x whole square. When limit q tends to p, when the point q tends to p, card PQ by arc PQ equal to 1. So this becomes 1. So that delta s by delta x whole square equal to 1 plus delta y by delta x whole square. So this can be written as ds by dx. So ds by dx whole square equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. We make a convention that for the curve y equal to f of x, s is measured positively in the direction of x increasing. so that s increase with x. So for the curve y equal to f of x, s is measured positive. So the value of s is positive in the direction of x increasing. If x is increasing, then the value of s is measured positively, so that s increase with x. Hence ds by dx is positive. Thus ds by dx equal to under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So taking positive sign before the radical. So here the value of ds by dx is positive, that is ds by dx equal to plus or minus under root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So this is length of arc as a function or derivative of an arc. This is the formula. Next let us take a problem. In the curve r power m equal to a power m into cos m theta, prove that ds by d theta equal to a into secant power m minus 1 by m into m theta and a power 2m d square r by ds square plus m into r to the power of 2m minus 1 equal to 0. Solution. So here the given curve is r to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into cos m theta. This is equation number 1. Now taking logarithm on both sides of equation 1. So log of r to the power of m equal to log of a to the power of m into cos m theta. We know by formula log a to the power of m into log a, that is m into log r equal to, so this is log a into b in the form of log a into b is log a power m plus log cos m theta, m log r equal to, so this is also can write as m into log a plus log of cos m theta. Now differentiating above equation we get m into 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log a constant value is 0 plus log x differentiation 1 by x, that is 1 by cos m theta. Again by differentiating cos m theta we get minus sin m theta into m, that is m by r into dr by d theta equal to minus m into sin m theta by cos m theta. So that 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to minus tan m theta, or dr by d theta equal to minus r into tan m theta. This is equation number 2. Now we know by the formula ds by d theta equal to under root of r square plus dr by d theta whole square, that is r square dr by d theta value minus r tan m theta whole square, that is r square tan square m theta, taking r square as common 1 plus tan square m theta. We have the formula 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, so that r square into secant square m theta. So this can be written as r into secant m theta whole square. So here square and root get cancelled. So remaining ds by d theta equal to r into secant m theta. ds by d theta equal to r into secant m theta is, this is equation number 3. And we have secant m theta equal to, secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So similarly secant m theta can be written as 1 by cos m theta. And from the equation 1, r to the power of m equal to a to the power of m into cos m theta, then r equal to a to the power of m into cos m theta whole power 1 by m. So this is a to the power of m by m get cancelled, so a to the power of 1 cos m theta whole to the power of 1 by m. Now substituting these values secant m theta and r values in equation 3, ds by d theta equal to r a to the power of a into cos m theta whole power 1 by m by secant m theta can be written as 1 by cos m theta, that is a, taking this cos m theta to the denominator, cos m theta whole power 1 minus 1 by m, that is a by cos m theta m minus 1 by m. ds by d theta equal to a into 1 by cos is secant, so secant m minus 1 by m theta. This is equation number 4. Again ds by d theta equal to r into secant m theta. This can be written as r into secant m theta 1 by cos m theta, r by, from the equation 1, r to the power of m equal to a to the power of m cos theta, then cos m theta equal to r to the power of m by a to the power of m, r into a to the power of m by r to the power of m, a to the power of m into, so here 1 minus m, this is ds by d theta equal to a to the power of m into r to the power of 1 minus m. This is equation number 5. and from equation 2 we have dr by d theta equal to minus r tan m theta, and dr by ds can be written by chain rule. Dr by ds equal to dr by d theta into d theta by ds. So here dr by dt value is minus r tan m theta, and d theta by ds we know ds by d theta, then d theta by ds is 1 by ds by d theta, that is 1 by a to the power of m r to the power of n minus n, minus r tan m theta by a to the power of m r to the power of n minus 1. Taking this r to the power of 1 minus m to the numerator, minus a to the power of minus m r to the power of 1 minus 1 plus m into tan m theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. So minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta. This is dr by ds value. Now differentiating this dr by ds, we get d square r by ds square. So d square r by ds square is d by ds of dr by ds, but dr by ds can be written as d by dr of dr by ds into dr by ds, then by dr get cancelled, d by ds of dr by ds we get. So d by dr of dr by ds value, dr by ds value is minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta into dr by ds minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta. Taking this as common, minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta of d by dr of differentiating this minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta. That implies d square r by ds square equal to minus a to the power of minus m into r to the power of m into tan m theta into taking minus a into a power minus m as common, that is d by dr of r to the power of m into tan m theta. It is in the form of u into v method. We know by the formula u v dash plus v u dash. So this is a to the power of minus m, a to the power of minus m, minus into minus plus a to the power of minus 2m r to the power of m tan m theta. Then taking tan m theta as constant, differentiation of r to the power of m is m into r to the power of m minus 1, plus taking r to the power of m as constant, differentiation of tan m theta is secant square m theta into d theta by dr. Again by differentiating secant m theta we get m. So a to the power of minus 2m r to the power of m tan m theta of m into r to the power of m minus 1 tan m theta plus m into r to the power of m into secant square m theta into d theta by dr. A to the power of minus 2m into r to the power of m into tan m theta. So here taking m into r to the power of m common, r to the power of minus m 1 tan m theta plus secant square m theta d theta by dr. So here m into a to the power of minus 2m into m plus m r to the power of 2m of taking tan m theta into the bracket, that is r power minus 1 into tan m theta tan square m theta plus secant square m theta d theta by dr into tan m theta. From dr by d theta equal to minus r tan m theta, we get d theta by dr equal to 1 by minus r tan m theta, that is m into a to the power of minus 2m into r to the power of 2m into r to the power of minus 1 tan square m theta plus secant square m theta. So d theta by dr can be written as 1 by minus r tan m theta. Here tan m theta get cancelled. M into a to the power of minus 2m into r to the power of 2m minus 1, taking r to the power of minus 1 common. So that is r to the power of 2m minus 1 tan square m theta, here minus secant square m theta. We know that from trigonometry tan square theta minus secant square theta is 1. So that m into a to the power of minus 2m into r to the power of 2m minus 1 into this value is minus 1. Therefore d square r by ds square equal to m into a to the power of minus 2m into r to the power of 2m minus 1 into minus 1. Now taking this minus to this side, that is d square r by ds square plus m into a to the power of minus 2m r to the power of 2m minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the proof we want to prove.